All right, so I'm going to solve this problem on our Isotopes and Atomic Mass guided inquiry. And the first thing that we're going to look at is the exercise 1. Titanium has 5 common isotopes. And so it tells us that there's titanium 46, titanium 47, titanium 48, titanium 49, and titanium 50. Even though there are 5 common isotopes, the total amount that we are going to be looking at is here, which is, it should come out to 100%, and we are going to see if it really does, right? So we would add 8 plus 7.8 plus 73.4 plus 5.5 plus 5.3. And each of those have, so the mass of 45 and 953 thousandths occurs 8.0% of the time, or in our sample, okay? And then we have 46 and 952 thousandths times 7.8%. And we're going to add all of our masses times the number of times they occur. So this third one for titanium 48 is 47.947 times 73.4% plus 48 and 948 thousandths times 5.5%. And our last isotope, titanium 50, is 49 and 945 thousandths times 5.3%. Okay, so a couple things. I might want to rewrite all of my percentages to come out to be in decimals, or I can keep them this way, but then at the end of our problem, divide by 100. So because these are all, so this 8% really means 8% is equal to 8%, which means divide by 100, which is this form in its decimal form, right? So 7.8% means 7.8 divided by 100, which is 0.078, right? So you can do it with this form where we've written it out, but I don't want to write that extra step, right? I'm just going to I'm going to rewrite it so then I can enter it into my calculator just like this. Okay, so I am rewriting it so I know what I'm going to type into my calculator, because I'm not going to, well, I could solve this by hand, but I really don't want to. We have tools that you also can use on your test, so learn how to use them now. All right, so now that I've set that up, in completing this problem, I'm going to type in 45.953 times 0.08, right? So I'm going to type all of these things in and see what that comes out to. And whatever it comes out to is going to be our answer. And so I see that when I type it out and then I plug it into my calculator, it should come out to be 44.788 AMU. Okay, so that's how you would do that. Again, you're not dividing by 5, which is the number of isotopes there are, right? To find your average, you could just multiply by the percentage, or you can use these numbers, but then at the very end, know that you're gonna have to divide by 100, which I don't want to take that extra step. I'll just write it out using the decimal form like this.